Ever wondered how precision through-hole soldering achieves perfection? The secret lies in laser technology. Watch as the laser precisely melts the solder ball, creating a flawless connection in just milliseconds. The high-pressure inert gas ensures the molten solder drops perfectly, without oxidation. With precision up to plus or minus 10 micrometers and solder balls as small as 100 micrometers, our technology meets the highest standards. The result? A clean, strong solder joint every time, with no need for flux and no risk of contamination. Ideal for high-precision applications, our laser soldering system is revolutionizing electronics manufacturing. Ready to elevate your production line with unmatched soldering precision? Contact us today to learn more.